What's up guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Toyota Camry, it is required by law to have trailer wiring. Let's go ahead and break down that installation for you. You'll need the tool seen here to complete this installation. Our first step is going to be to remove our cargo liner. We'll go ahead and set it to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove our scruff panel. There's going to be 5 push pins that we'll need to remove. I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver. We'll go ahead and pull up on it and set it to the side. Next, we'll go ahead and remove our cargo hooks. You're going to push the middle and then pull it out. There'll be one on both sides. Next, on the driver's side, we're going to pull back our liner to get to the connectors. We'll be disconnecting these 2 connectors. On the driver's side, we're going to be using the red and yellow connectors. For the passenger side, we'll go ahead and use the green wire. We're going to repeat the same steps on the driver's side. On the passenger side, we're only going to be removing the smaller connector. To ground the wire, I'm going to go ahead and use this existing ground that's already on the vehicle. I'm going to use a 12mm socket to remove it. We'll go ahead and add our ring terminal to the existing grounds and reinstall our bolt. Next, we'll need to connect our power wires together. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive power wire to connect to our line on our converter box. We're going to use some crimpers and a heat treat bug connector to connect them. Next, we're going to use our butane torch to go ahead and heat shrink our connector. Our vehicle happens to be a hybrid, which means the battery is actually on the back side of the vehicle in the trunk area on the passenger side. If you don't have a hybrid model, you will need to still get the power wire outside of the vehicle by using the air vent that's over on the driver's side. To get to the battery, we'll go ahead and pull out this panel. Next, we're going to connect our fuse holder to our battery terminal. We're going to lift up the cap and remove this nut using a 12mm socket. Go ahead and install our ring terminal and put back our nut. To keep everything looking neat, we're going to run our power wire underneath the paneling. Go ahead and connect our wire into the fuse holder. We'll go ahead and insert our fuse and install our cap. And go ahead and put our battery paneling back on. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this excess wiring. The black wire I'm going to tuck behind this paneling. The green wire I'm going to zip tie to this wiring right here. For this particular customer, we're going to go ahead and leave the wiring on the inside of the trunk. When they're ready to use it, they'll pull it out, close their trunk, and it'll be ready for use. When they're finished with it, all they'll have to do is store it right underneath their cargo mats. If you have any questions about the product seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.